to my channel. It's your girl Jenny Capri. Today I'm actually taking out some old knotless braids that I had in, and I will be prepping my hair to actually get them redone with knotless braids. I've been loving this style for the past couple of months. I had these black ones in for about 4 weeks. If you know anything about knotless braids, they start getting old pretty quickly, so I'll just be washing and deep conditioning my hair using the Dove Amplified Textures collection. This particular one right here is the Moisture Spa Recovery Mask. It's really thick, okay? She thick, and I love that in a mask. So I was excited to try this. This right here is the Super Slip Detangling Conditioner. And this is the Twist and Moisture Shaping Buttercream. This one is thick, but it has a little bit of runniness to it, which I love in a Twist and Moisture cream because that makes me feel like it's gonna lock in the moisture. So I unbraided my hair, and I'm gonna go in with my Africa's Pride pre-shampoo. If you know me or watched some of my previous videos, this is my holy grail. It's only about like $4 to $6 depending on where you are, but I do not detangle my hair without this. Like, it just gives me life. Once I put this in my hair, it just like the tangles is done. Like, y'all done, no more, don't come around here. This product is coming for you. So you will see, like, once I put this in my hair, even though my hair was basically pre-stretched, but there were still some tangles in it, so I wanted to go in with the pre-shampoo to make my wash a bit more easier. And you can see like how it just makes my hair look, and my hair don't look like this with just water or any other product. So I always have this in my stash, like 2, 3 of them, because you just never know when things is gonna go out of stock. In a previous video, I showed you guys how I actually wash my hair in the shower. I always section off my hair just to make it easier for me. My hair is pretty thick and it gets tangled easily, so I don't want to have to deal with that. Now I will say, after using the Super Slip Detangling Conditioner by this line, I wouldn't really recommend it. It wasn't much slip for me, and it made my hair feel kind of dry afterwards. I definitely would recommend the Moisture Spa Recovery Mask. It was really thick and felt good on my hair. I was able to run my fingers through, and I felt like it really did moisturize my hair. Now I'm going in with my leave-in conditioner by Curls. This is very lightweight, and my Chi Iron Guard heat protector is lightweight as well. I'm about to blow dry my hair, and I don't want a lot of heavy products on it, so I actually didn't use the Twist and Moisture Shaping Buttercream because I just felt like it was going to be too heavy and make my hair feel like there's, you know, product on it. This particular blow dryer is life. Like, you definitely see it's a dupe of a different blow dryer, but this one is way cheaper. I got it off of Amazon, and it just makes my hair feel soft. It doesn't feel like it's stripping the moisture that I just put into my hair. So once my hair is blow dried, I just put it up in a bun, and I got my hair done the next day. So don't forget to like this video if you like content like this. It really does help me out to figure out what type of content is useful to anyone coming across my channel. Please go ahead and comment down below if you used any of the Dove Amplified Textures products. I wonder if they work better for like looser texture hairs versus between 4A, 4B, 4C. I personally liked the deep conditioner. And if you made it this far, you might as well just go ahead and click that button and subscribe to my channel. I mean, it's free, it's easy. Thanks again for watching.